When it comes to sex, most of us already feel there are benefits that regular intimacy brings. However, you may be surprised at the range of benefits of healthy sex, from reducing stress, to lowering your risk of cancer or heart problems. According to recent studies, regular sex can provide many boosts to your well-being. This is because sex is just like any other physical activity, and the benefits it provides can eventually increase your lifespan. Here's a breakdown of the top benefits of regular sexual intercourse. 1. It improves immunity. Participating in sex 1 to 2 times per week helps boost the immune system, according to research published in Psychological Reports. They found that people who had sex once or twice per week had a 30% increase in IgA, an antibody that shows how tough our immune system is, compared to those who don't. 2. It has cardiovascular benefits. Physical activities that exercise the heart are good for your health, and ideally you should exercise 3 to 5 times a week to keep your heart healthy. Luckily, this includes sex, as well as working out. Just like an intense workout, being sexually aroused increases heart rate, with the number of beats per minute peaking during orgasm. Men in particular have been shown to get benefits from sex. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology suggested that men in their 50s who have sex at least twice per week have a reduced risk of heart disease compared with men who have sex less frequently. 3. It lowers blood pressure. Regular sex can also lower blood pressure, especially for women. Women between 57 and 85 years who took part in a recent study were less likely to have hypertension. Not only does high blood pressure increase the risk of heart attack and stroke, but it also can lead to erectile dysfunction and lower libido. 4. It relieves pain. Neurologists have found that sexual activity can relieve head pain associated with a migraine or cluster headache in some people, despite a headache often being an excuse to not having sex. Sex can trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. In other research published in Pain, women were found to experience reduced pain sensitivity, and had an increased pain tolerance threshold when experiencing pleasure through vaginal self-stimulation. 5. It reduces the risk of prostate cancer. It is said that men who frequently ejaculate could be protected against prostate cancer, which is the most common cancer among men in the United States. Research led by Michael Leitzman from the National Cancer Institute discovered that men who ejaculated 21 times per month or more were a third less likely to develop prostate cancer than men who ejaculated between 4 and 7 times per month. Kindly hit the like button as you're enjoying the video. 6. It improves sleep. Around 16 million adults in the UK suffer from some kind of sleep disorder. However, this could be improved by having regular sex. This is because during sex and orgasms, a cocktail of chemicals are released in the brain, including oxytocin, dopamine, and a rush of endorphin. All these hormones combined leaves you feeling sleepy. During sex, women also have a rise in estrogen levels, which has been shown to enhance their REM cycle. In men, the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain which helps with alertness and mental activity, switches off after orgasm, which helps them sleep. 7. It relieves stress. Stress can cause all kinds of health problems, from headaches, insomnia, muscle tension, and upset stomach, to more severe conditions including a weakened immune system and chronic depression. A study published in Biological Psychology found that people who have regular sex had lower stress-related blood pressure than individuals who had masturbated or had non-coital sex.